Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to protect your data in a specific worksheet from being tampered with or changed by unauthorized personnel. This is most important in organizations where data integrity is crucial. First, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on our future videos. With that, let us begin. I have an Excel sheet here that is used to track income from the different departments of the hospital. And here you can see that we have a pop-up that says the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make changes, click Unprotect Sheet in the Review tab. You might need a password. So this comes as a result of someone trying to make changes, trying to access a particular cell, and they are restricted. So you can see when we click on any cell, we get this pop-up. So how do we do this? First, I have duplicated the same data on this sheet here. For this sheet, it is not currently protected. Like you can see, you can make any changes as you want. For now, let me leave it at that. Start by highlighting the data in a worksheet. You can select the whole worksheet here. Right click and click on Format Cells. Here you need to confirm that under the Protection tab, Locked is checked. Once done, you click OK and then go to the Review tab here and click on Protect Sheet. Here you can proceed without a password, but it is usually recommended to use a password. And you can see down here, there are rights you can give to a user that wants to access this sheet. So let us proceed without a password and see how it works. Click OK. Then once you try to access a particular cell, you will see there's a pop-up again that is restricting you. However, it is easy to unprotect this sheet by just clicking on that, and then you can make changes. So it is as simple as that. But it is recommended to use a password. So if you want to use a password, just click on Protect Sheet, type in a password, and then confirm the password, and then click OK. So here, once you click on a particular cell and you want to make changes in it, you will be restricted. However, you will need a password to unprotect the sheet. So that means if someone doesn't have the password, we won't be able to unprotect this sheet. So let us try to unprotect. Click on Unprotect. You see it will need a password. So if you don't have a password, then you cannot unprotect this sheet. So let me just put our password. Click OK. So here you can make changes into the sheet. And this is how we protect worksheets or data in our worksheets in Excel. Hope this has been informative to you. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and also share. Thank you.